Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to unbox the new TrueFree 2 earphones. We will see what we have in the package and we will test these earphones. So let's begin with the box immediately. As you can see, we have a very clean and simple box. We have TrueFree 2 logo all the way. And you can see it's wrapped up with plastic for protection, and underneath we have the box itself. You can see very simple, all black, and we have again some protection underneath it with foam and plastic again. You can see the package is very good, well packed. I like this package a lot, honestly. In the top we have the charger and the earpieces to change it from a small, medium or large. Also, you can see right here, let me unbox it, we have here the pieces for the inner piece of the ear. You can see the circle ones. Here we have a very simple cable, good material, rubber. We have Type-C charger. So underneath these stuff we have the user manual and we have the charging tips as well. So we have a couple of papers to read here. You can see we have the logo update and we have the customer care, which you can benefit from this, or you can send a feedback in case you need so. Let's take a look at the earphones case as well. You can see we have very good quality and plastic, the Type-C and the back, and we have here the earphones itself. Also we have the LED lighting in the middle of these earphones. So let's take these out, put them on our ear and try to connect them, see if we have any trouble connecting. You can see this is the rubber piece that I told you that we can change and we saw in the box when we were unboxing. So here at the pair new device in my phone, let's see if it finds immediately. I heard that these earphones are connected right now with themselves. And you can see we have TrueFree 2 at the top, which means it's very easy to connect with these. My phone found these immediately, which is a very good thing and very easy. Press pair again. And you can see now they are connected. Also it tells you the percentage of battery at the settings. So here we have a couple of music that I always test my earphones. This is a very good music because it has bass into it and it has a very good melody. Okay, the sound is very good, very clear. The bass is all right. So I noticed that we have enough bass. We don't have too much, but we don't have little as well. So these are not touched, but you have to press the button. You can see if you press once, it will play or pause the video, press twice, and press 3 times for Google Assistant. You can see here it opens up YouTube as I said. And that means the microphone works pretty good, it can hear you. And with the left one we have similar options to use. Press once to play or pause. Press 2 times to lower the volume. And with the right one it will raise the volume. And 3 times it will open up the Google Assistants again with both of them. So you can see the direction that we got in the box all works. The option works pretty good. And these are the TrueFree 2 earphones. Let's see how to connect them with iOS, because we had a lot of questions for iOS as well. So here at the bottom of the Bluetooth you can see immediately it shows the TrueFree 2 earphones, which again it's connected. It's very easy to connect with them. And you can see now in the iOS as well, they work pretty good. We have here a couple of songs. Let's try one of them. Go full volume. And let's hear the TrueFree 2. Honestly, as I'm speaking, I barely can hear myself, which for me is very good. You can see it works in iOS as well, but I noticed that in iOS most of these earphones have a delay. You can see when I press to pause the video, it will pause a few seconds later. I don't know if they work better with Android or is just an iOS thing. I'm not sure about that, but again, they work. You can see the volume, you can raise or decrease the volume, and you can see in the PC or laptop, whatever you're using, you go to the settings that you have your Bluetooth devices, and immediately as I went, you can see how fast it found our TrueFree 2 earphones. So we should wait now. You can see ready to pair, press pair, and in just a few clicks, same as in the phone, you will have these earphones connected and you should be able to use these. Let's try them on. And I noticed that in this laptop, this is not the new laptop that we usually use, I noticed a problem in the beginning. I can hear the sound coming through the laptop, which is not a good thing. So here you can see how I fixed at the sound. You have to go and put your earphones in default. So in that case, now the sound comes in your earphones and not through the speaker of the laptop. So now I can hear the music better. You can see the volume is all the way up at the speaker and the YouTube as well, and the volume is all right, all the sound is great. So that means you can use the TrueFree 2 earphones in the Android, iOS or laptop in Windows or Mac, whatever you're using. So these are the TrueFree 2 earphones. Thank you guys very much for your time and support. If you find this video interesting and helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video with another smart device.